Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Python correctly to your computer. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is going to Python's official website, which is python.org, and hover this download button. Here always you will see the latest version of the Python. In my case it's 3.12 and I want to download this one. If you need any other versions you can click here, and if you scroll down you will be able to see and download all versions of Python. After downloading the setup, you just open your downloads folder from your computer, or you can click here and here. Before rushing to install Python, make sure that you tick add Python to environment variables, because it lets you to use Python anywhere from your computer.